So friends, welcome back to DevTrino. Do subscribe to our channel as we bring the latest apps and websites from which you can earn money and rewards. Now, talking about this website, it is Univox Community. Don't skip the video, watch it till the end to understand how you could earn in this website. So talking about this website, it is Univox Community. It is a survey site from which you can redeem Amazon or PayPal voucher. Talking about this website is interesting and it has 3 ways from which you can earn money. The website is simple in interface also, you can easily try this website. Talking about the ways you can earn in this website is through taking surveys. So here you can see at the top right corner you can see a flag shape and with the number 0. It indicates that I have no live surveys. I am in the survey page itself, so you can see here I don't have any active surveys right now. And if you complete surveys, you might get rewards from points ranging 1 to 100 also. 100 was my highest points that I received from taking on surveys. The surveys time ranges from around 3 to 40 minutes sometimes. You can try those surveys and the points will be credited to your account. Now the next way you can earn in this is through free spin. Talking about the free spin, it is interesting because when you click the spin box you will get a random point allotment. The survey and this gets reset after 1 day. So if you get points like 100 points or 250 points, for 100 points you have to complete 1 survey and for 200 points you have to complete 2 surveys. I have already received once from free spin, so it is legit. You can definitely try for it. And talking about the third way you can earn in this website is through disqualification points. If you get disqualified from a survey, now first thing, why would you get disqualified from a survey? If the location of or if the demographics are not based on the required survey, they will disqualify you, and based on that you would get disqualification points. Sometimes you won't get disqualification points because those points would not even be allotted for the particular survey. So let me show you how the disqualification points looks like. So this was an old screenshot of the survey that I had got, and I got disqualified. They had given me 4 points here. The highest points I got most of the time is 4 and the least points that I got was 3. So my points of disqualifications ranged from 3 to 4. That's what I can see. So coming back to this site will has rewards at 1000 points. If you wish to redeem, you can redeem at 1000 points $10, or else if you are consistent and keep on taking surveys and redeem, you will get a chance to withdraw at 500 points, which is $5 instantly to your account also. So this is how you could earn in this website. And do like, share and subscribe to our video. If you have any doubts or clarifications, you can put it in the chat box. We will try to answer as many as we could. And do subscribe to our channel for the latest videos on earning money, as well as we'll be posting soon about stock market. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you.